Hello everybody, Dino here. Welcome to the newest video I have made in a while. I've been really busy this summer, but that doesn't mean I'm gonna leave you guys without anything to watch from my channel. So I have a really big unboxing and review video with all these things. So I guess we will start with the DVDs. First up, we have the Family Guy Season 1 DVD. Here's the front. We have the spine and the back. Here are the discs, and then we have an episode guide with episodes on the discs, disc 1 and disc 2. This is the UK print, I guess you can call it, of volume 1, as I'll show it on screen. And it's actually only 2 discs, not 3, so it will be all both seasons, I'm sorry. So yeah, I actually did watch both of these. They're really good. Really like the first season and second season that I saw. I really want to have the season 2 DVD also from UK, which again you'll see a picture on screen. I really like the DVD and this content on it. Next up, I have the Angry Birds DVDs, which I actually ordered this past week. So we have volume 1, season 1. Here's the front, the spine, and the back. It has some bonus features and the short Wreck the Halls. The disc. And then we have volume 2. So this is the front, the spine, and the back. Again, just special features. And this one, I think, is a re-release because it has this advertisement over here, which is on the DVDs that I do have, which are these ones. So, I guess they reprinted them at some point, like season 1, this advertisement. But yeah, I only watched disc 1. It was really good. I'm gonna watch disc 2 soon, so yeah. You thought this video was done? You're wrong! I have some books. First up, we have Diary of a Wimpy Kid, Volume 6. I haven't had a new book from Diary of a Wimpy Kid, which I do have the books with me. I'm going to show you which ones I have. So here are the ones I have with me right now. I don't have all of them with me, all the ones I do have. So I have book number 1, book number 2 in English. I have book number 3 in Romanian, in my home country language. I also have book number 4, but it's in English and I don't have it with me. I have book number 5. Now I have book number 6. And I also have book number 8. And in English as well, I have this book, this one. So yeah. So I opened the shrink wrap that it had. For some reason, the store put it in a shrink wrap. So let's take it off its shrink wrap. And here it is. This is the re-release that was before the I think 17th volume or 18th, I forgot. So yeah, I finally have up to book 6 in order. Here's the front of the book. We have a different, here in Romania, we have like a different order for books. Like it would be like this, and DVDs are like other books should be like this, I guess you could say that. So yeah, if you're wondering why if I'll show pictures with other books in Romanian, I'll have them like this and not like this. It's because this is how we do it. So yeah, the book is really cool. I forgot to show you the back again. Here it is. And then this, so yeah. I just realized I've been saying so yeah, but for almost all the video, I'm sorry. Anyway, we have the Odd Ones Out book, the first one. This is actually a re-release for the show Oddballs. I found it at the same store I found volume 6, which you saw earlier in this video. So yeah, let's open it. It already has like a type of hole inside of it. Like I didn't cut it. Like that's how it arrived. This is a book that I have always wanted ever since I saw it announced by James. I was like, oh my goodness, I want it So now I have it. Thank goodness. Let me just get rid of there. So here is the front. This is actually not the English version. It's like the Romanian print. That's a reprint as well. So here's the front, the spine, graphic font. I actually want to know, what does graphic font do besides this book and the next one. Here's the back if you want to pause and read it and see translation errors. And yeah, some of these books, this is like my first new book that's not from Diary of a Wimpy Kid, and I'm going to show you one of the pictures. Look, this is one of the pictures in English. I mean, in Romanian, sorry. It's the one with the pet, with Harry the Moth. Rest in peace, Harry. Now I'm going to open this. Yo! Let me put the grocery gang characters I do have on like the screen. Let me arrange them, guys. So now we have the Grocery Gang Series 2 Rotten Soda pack. I got this recently with the books as well. And here's the ones I already have. And so let's open it. And I'm gonna try to do it off camera because this part is kind of hard. And so here are the 4 groceries. I will open them from the back, from the bottom. I have to pause again. First off, I rearranged these. So yeah, now I opened this. So let's get the ones that are visible out first and talk about what they are. I don't really know their names by memory, so I'll get the little checklist it comes with. If I can open it. There. Finally. So here's the checklist. Let me just... This is like a new one. I had an old one, but like I threw it away if I remember correctly. So first off, we have Scummy Honey, it's called. Scummy Honey. It's the last one. I'll show you which one. This one. It's this one. This guy. Right here. Yeah. He's gonna be not my only breakfast item, I think. Oh, wait, no. Yeah, no, he's not. He's with McMuffin. So, yeah. Then we have, let me see here. We have Crud Kiwi. The second fruit. It's the color that I don't really like. I want to have it like based off the actual color. Yeah, I like the colors though. It's not the color I want, which is the green where yellow is and then brown where green is. But that where brown I meant brown where blue is there. And then we have the one that I actually do like, even by look and color and everything. It's Lousy Lemon. Look at this guy. Look at this guy. Yep. Yeah. So yeah, that's it. But we're not done. We also have the mystery one. I hope it's not one that I already have. Because if it is, I'll be kind of disappointed and mad. Especially if it's the same color. From what I can see. Oh no, it's not. It's not one that I already have. It's actually a new one that will go with another one that I only had one. So now my wave 2 characters won't be just one character. Okay, so the surprise grocery I got is this guy. He is the, I think, wait, his name is Sewer Glove. So yeah, we finally have like more than one character per section in the waves. And I also have the bottle. I have to show it to you. It's just so weird and funny. The ones I originally got in another can, bottle, whatever you call it. Because I had like almost every version available to get the characters. I had like a 10-pack, I think it's called. I could be wrong, like the pack, which had most of these. And then I had like a 2-pack, which had this guy and also this guy. And I had like another 4-pack, which came with this guy, Stinky Frank Iced Tea. I think it came with one of the sauces. No, it didn't come with the sauces. It came with McMuffin, Sour Strawberry, it's called, I think. Wait, let me just look at. Yep, Sour Strawberry, and also the Slob Stopper. It's just, the names are so weird. Something I just noticed now. They're like not good as I thought they were. So yeah, I might keep this can. Let me just put all the groceries inside. Here they all are inside. Yep, that's pretty much it. I guess I'm gonna put these in here. I'm gonna store my grocery gangs in here. And so that is the big review I've made with all these things I got throughout this week. I hope you all liked the video, because I definitely liked it. It was really big for stuff I'm doing this week for videos. I might be doing another video. Ooh. So yeah, might be a Diary of a Wimpy Kid book collection. Who knows? We'll see. So yeah, I hope you liked this video. Please subscribe to the channel. It really helps me out. And if you want to be notified on what other videos I'm making, please hit the notification bell.